Welcome back to our unboxing series. Today we're going to talk about the Medela Freestyle Hands-free, and we're going to include the pump special features, what the parts are and how to assemble them, how to use it, and then also care and cleaning. And by the way, if you haven't ordered your pump through insurance yet, please reach out to us at aceleron.com/order and we can help get that order started for you. The special features of the Freestyle Hands-free include the fact that it does have a built-in rechargeable battery, as well as sort of like a lanyard here on the side, so you can be really on the go with this pump. It charges just like a cell phone. It also has the hands-free collection kit, which we're going to go into a little bit more, and it has a 1-year warranty. That 1-year warranty covers the pump motor itself. The accessories have a limited 90-day warranty. When it comes to assembling your Freestyle Hands-free, you want to make sure you start with the correct shield size. So it is indicated right on the inside whether you're using the 24 or the 21 millimeter. And again, you're using the correct size for your body so that it is more comfortable, and also you get the correct milk output for what you should be getting. With that, you have the shield size indicated here, and then you also have your backflow protector, or what makes your pump a closed system, on here. So it is all one piece, which is really great. It has the backflow protector and then sort of like a little keyhole opening here. To assemble it, you want to start with the little divot or notch at the top, and you're going to place that right in line, and you're going to make sure that that's fully sealed all the way around. And when it goes all the way around, you're just going to take this bottom portion and pull it down. There's a little lip there. You'll make sure that that flap goes over. It's not going to insert into that opening there, and it'll settle in nice and neat there. Your collection cup is going to have a notch at the top that inserts here, and then you're going to hinge it closed, and you'll hear a click once it's fully sealed. Now this is where the pour spout is, so you'll see if it's fully lined up. If it's not correctly lined up, you want to open it and do it all over again, because if you don't, you may have some leaking or some damage there. When it comes to single or double pumping, this pump lets you pump either one or both sides at the same time. Now it does this with its tubing. The tubing itself is a Y connector, and it has 2 shorter pieces on the top. This middle piece here says Medela on it, and the M should face up to the parts that are going towards your collection kit. The A in Medela points down to what connects to the pump motor. So to go from single or double pumping, you have the option to double pump, where you're going to put that right in there on both collection kits, and you can pump both sides. Or to single pump, you only connect one side, and that other port is going to be right here into the top of that Y connector. There's a little opening there. Now that just makes it so that it doesn't pull any air in, so that you have suction on the side that you need it on. Now, no matter what, single or double pumping, you're going to take the other side of your tubing, which is a triangle, and you're going to insert that into the bottom of the pump motor, right there. And that's assembly. You'll see for use on your Freestyle that at the top is a port for charging your pump, right below or right in front of where your lanyard attaches. At the bottom is where your tubing will connect, and it sort of looks like a blank screen right now. On this side right here is going to be your power button, and once you turn that on, the screen sort of comes to life here. You do have the battery indicator, you have a timer, you also have an indicator for what phase you're in, and then these dots will indicate what suction strength you're using. At the very bottom, to get us started into our pumping session, we have our power button. So when you press your power button, the pump will light up a little bit more as well. And you'll see the timer start, and you have the option to change your modes with this little arrow with the droplets. You want to start with the droplets that are empty here, those 2 on the left side of the screen. And what you're going to do is, this is your initiation or massage mode. This is to stimulate your letdown. So the only thing you need to do here is change your suction strength. You have your plus and minus to change your strength from 1 to 9. You're going to go up and up and up until it's uncomfortable, and then go down 1. So you're using your highest comfort strength. Now, one way to know if you've gone up or down as far as you can is the pump has a little noise that it makes when you've gone too far down or too high up, to let you know that that's as far as you can go in either direction. You stay in this letdown mode until your milk has started to flow. And when that happens, you're going to push this mode button, or the pump will automatically switch you over at 1 minute to that second expression mode. Now in expression mode, the suction pattern is a lot slower, so how many sucks per minute is less. And again, the only thing that you need to do is change your suction strength from 1 to 9 with that plus or minus, finding your highest comfort strength, so going up and up and up until it's uncomfortable, and then back down 1. When you've finished pumping, you can pause your session so that it continues with the timer, or you can just turn it off if you know you're definitely done. You are able to go back and forth between the two modes at any time during your pumping session. Let's get into cleaning for your Freestyle Hands-free collection kit. So something to note is your plug and everything like that, as well as the pump motor, are not ever submerged in water. So those parts are not going to come in contact with milk in a way that they're going to interfere with your pumping. So you can wipe them down if something gets on there, but you're not washing them specifically. The other thing that follows that same general guideline is the tubing. Now, in the manual, there are going to be instructions on how to clean the tubing if you need to, but this pump does have that backflow protector that we showed, and so it should not get anything in the tubing. If it does, you clean it with warm soapy water and rinse it and you're good to go, but not something you have to do every time. For your collection kit, Medela does have the recommendation that you're going to clean this collection kit after every pumping session. So if you pump twice a day, you're cleaning this twice a day. Now, they also have the recommendation to sanitize it at least once a day. But let's break down those things so that it's step by step. When you're cleaning it after a pumping session, you have two options, the sink or the dishwasher. No matter what, you're going to disassemble it, including taking off your silicone piece. So you only have 3 pieces per side, 6 if you double pump. To clean it in the sink, you're going to take a clean separate bowl from the rest of your food dishes, fill it with some warm soapy water, and put your parts in there to soak for about 5 minutes. Wash as you normally would, rinse with clear water, and then just let them air dry before your next pumping session. The other option is the dishwasher. Now you just want to make sure that you put them on the top rack only, so that they're further away from the main heating source in your dishwasher. Run it as you normally would, and again, let them air dry after. For sterilizing or sanitizing, they recommend at least once a day. Now for that, there's 2 main options. The first option is to boil your parts. You're going to take them, fully separate them, put them in a large stock pot, boiling water, and they boil for 10 minutes, and then you take them out and they air dry. And they typically will air dry really quickly because they were in such hot water before that. The other option are micro steam bags. So Medela makes micro steam bags that look like large sandwich baggies. You put your clean parts, because you already cleaned them when you use them last. They're already clean and separated. Throw them in, put in a little bit of water based on the guidelines, and then you microwave it, again based on the guidelines, in your microwave. And then once it's done, it steams to sanitize them, and you're good to go. Those are great for on the go as well. Acceleron truly cares about the entire journey that somebody has with pumping, from prenatal all the way through postpartum and possibly even return to work. So at Acceleron.com, we have lots of different educational opportunities, including even one-on-one unboxings where you can meet with a pump expert to talk about your specific pump. We also have some other consults where we do things like a return to work consult, or then we have some documents, links, and videos for you to look through. Again, all at Acceleron.com.